Sino kaya ang makakuha ng third set? Picture ka ba? O ang Yellow Buggers?
Hahabol kaya ang Cream Choco? May third game kaya next week. Pinag-isipang maigi ni Captain Sweet. Alright, for our third set, for the second game of the second series. Sino ang pasok, Ate Sweet? Pasok na ba tayo sa bahay ni Kuya? Or Green, Chomot. Laban sa Yellow Bombers, Ate Sweet. Dilim tabi. Yellow card na. Gusto mo mabilis sa kayo dalawa Ate Sweet. Ayan na. Alright, service on our third set. Yellow card. Kinuha ni Ate Ann, na-receive ni Ate Sweet, nakuha ni Ate Ada, nice! Attack by rin, kinuha ni Ate Sweet, in-over ni Ate Franz, nakuha ni Amber. In-over ni Ate Ann, sinet ni Janela, nice! Na-over. Official score 1-0 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service ni Ate Ann. Kinuha ni Janela. Nice attack by rin. Kinuha ni Cash. Nice over by Ate Ann. Kinuha ni Lalaine. In-over ni Amber. Kinuha ni Ate Sweet. Ang gandang slow mo Ate Sweet. That was very sweet. All one. Service by Ate Ada. Kinuha natin Liza at nilalay. Nice. Over by Ate Ann. Inover. Inover. Inover ni Cash. Nice attack by Cash. Official score 2-1 in yellow in favor of Yellow Bomber. Service by Lalaine. Nice receive by Arlene over ni Samantha. Kinuha ni Red. Sinet Janela. Nice attack by Red. Kinuha ni Amber. Inangat ni Ate Ann. Over ni Amber. Outside tumama sa bubong. Ang sabi ni Deloy. Leonard Deloy. Service by Janela Sakital. Kinuha ni Lalaine. In-over ni Cash. Nakuha ni Ate Franz. In-over ni Dean na Bombers. So, nice drop by Lalaine. Nice attack by Ray. Kinuha ni Ate Ann. Nice attack by Lalaine. Sinet ni Arnie. Nice attack by Ray. Nice attack again by Lalaine. In-over ni Ate Arnie. Kinuha ni Cash. Sinet ni Ate Ann. Nice attack by Cash. Inside. Ang tawag ni Leonard Deloy. Official score 3-2 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service by Cash. Service error. All three. Service by Ray. Outside. Basari Deloy. Palitan lang ng score. Ang ating official score, 4-3 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Nice service by Amber. Binalik, kinuha natin Liza. Nice attack by Sam Capistrano. Kinuha ni Lalaine. In-over ni Ate Ann. Paluin mo daw, sabi ni Ate Arnie. Ate in-over ni Lalaine. Trinay naman ni Janela yung best niya. Sometimes service is not enough. Service by Amber. Kinuha ni Ray. Pinangat ni Ate Arnie sa kabila. Kinuha ni Cash. Pinabol ni Amber. Inover ni Ate Glyza. Nakuha ni Ate Ate. Nakuha ni Gorilla. Nice drop by Ray. Kinuha ni Lali. Nice attack by Sam. Tinitigan ko. Nilamitan ko. Kaso hindi umabot. Official score, 6-3 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service again by Amber, kinuha ni Ray. Ako na daw, sabi natin Arnie. Kinuha ni Ate. Nice drop by Sam. Nice drop by Ate Arnie. At naroon. Patay daw tayo, sabi ni Ate Arnie. Service by Ate Arnie. Kinuha ni Amber. Kinuha ni Ate Glyza. At nag-outside kay Dorella. Alright. Our official score, 7 for favor of Yellow Bombers. Not over ang service. 7-5 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Ate Franz on the service. Kinuha ni Amber. Nakuha ng nanay ni Amber at pinalo nila ng outside ang tawag ni Red. Alright. Our official score, 7-6. Kinuha ni Cash. In-over ni Ate Ann. Nakuha ni Janela. Inakari ni Ate Arnie. Nice attack by Janela. Kinuha ni Lali. In-over ni Ate Ann. Nakuha ni Arnie. In-over ni Franz. Nakuha ni Ate Glyza. Nice attack by Lali. Kinuha ni Ray. Nakuha ni Ate Arnie. In-over ni Ate Arnie. Nakuha ni Cash. In-over ni Lali. Nice attack by Ate Sweet. Kinuha ni Amber. Nakuha ni Ate Ada. Nice over by Arnie. Nakuha ni Ate Ann. Kalma lang daw, sabi ni Sam. Nice over by Rick. Kinuha ni Rick. Nice attack by Sam. Outside! Substitution, right? Santiago in, Sakital out. Official score, 9-6. Sorry na. Nawawala yung scoreboard natin. Wait lang daw, sabi ni Leonard Anthony Dello. Official score, 9-6 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service by Sam, binalik ni Ate Arnie, nakuha ulit ni Sam. 3 na ni Ate Annie. Kinuha ni Ate Arnie. In-over, nakuha ni Amber. At hinabol. Nice over by Arnie. Sinet ni Ate Annie. In-over ni Sam. In-over ni Ate Hazel. Inside. 9-7 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service ni Ate Sweet. Yung lineman, tumayo ka daw ba? Sabi natin, Sweet, gigil siya sa'yo eh. Official score 10-7 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Sinervisan ni Ate Ann, kinuha ni Ate Hazel, not over. Go lang daw, sabi ni Ate Ada. Service by Ate Ann, kinuha ni Ate Franz. Drinap ni Rain. Inangap nila Rain. Nice attack by Cash. Kinuha ni Ate Ada, kinuburagan. Nice over. Lifting ang tawag ni Rain. 11-8 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service by Ate Ada. Kinuha ni Laling. Inangat ni Cash. Drinap ni Laling. Drinap din ni Rain. Drinap ni Cash. Ouch! Nice drop. Official score 12-8 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service by Laling. Isa pa daw, isa pa daw. Isa pa daw, isa pa daw. Bili niyo lang ng pool. Nice service by Laling. Official score 13-8. Lamang ang Yellow Bombers. Service. Nagulat si Justin. Nice service by Ate Hazel. Kinuha ni Laling, in-over ni Cash. Nakuha ni Ate Ada, nakuha ni Ate Arnie. Nice attack by Rain. Official score 13-10 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Kinuha ni Laling. In-over ni Cash. Ngunit kulang. Ginawa niya ang lahat, ngunit kulang. Service again by Ate Hazel. Nice service ni Ate Laling. In-over ni Ate Glyza. Kinuha ni Arnie. Kinuha ni Ate Hazel. At in-over ni Ate Franz. Kinuha ni Ate Ann. Ay! Outside! Ang sigaw ng tambayan ay...
5 sets!
Service again by Kasharin. Kinuha na Ate Franz. Lumikod. Ngunit hindi na habol. Official score 15-11. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng Yellow Bombers. Service by Kasharin. Nice service ace by Cash. Official score 16-11 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Isa pa daw ang sabi ni Captain. Nice service. In-over ni Ate Ada, kinuha ni Laling. In-over ni Ate Ann, nakuha ni Ate Ada. Inangat. Bring up ni Rain. Kinuha ni Ate Franz. Nice. Habol. Narover na nga ang tawag ni Red. Official score 16-12 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Kinuha ni Ate Ada, in-over ni Ate Franz sa likod, nakuha ni Ate Glyza. Kinuha ni Laling, not over. Official score 17-12, 5 ng Yellow Bombers. Service by Amber. Focus daw, ang sabi. Ay! Pakikuha mo agad, baka pumunta sa ilog. Time out! Green Choco. Look. Mahabol kaya ang Green Chocos sa Yellow Bombers? May laro pa kaya sila next week? Abangan sa pagbabalik na substitution rep Sakitalin Santiago out. Service by Amber. Nakuha ni Ray, inangat ni Arnie. Drina! Kinapos si Arasu. Official score 19-12 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Nice service by Amber. Kinuha na rin. Binigay kay Amber. Inover ni Ate Ann. Kinuha ni Janela. Inangat ni Ate Arnie. Inover ni Ate Sweet. Nakuha ni Lala. Nakuha ni Ate Ann. Nice attack by Sam. Not over nga lang. In favor of Yellow Bombers. Nice service by Amber. Inover ni Ate Sweet. Kinuha ni Ate Ann. Nice attack by Lele. Kinuha na naman ni Ate Sweet. At inover ni Arnie. Nice attack by Sam. Ngunit dumikit. Malangkit. Official score 20-13 in favor of 20. Kids, okay lang kayo dyan, kids? Service by Ate Arnie. Kinuha ni Cash. Inover ni Ate Ann. Nakuha ni Janela. Inover ni Ray. Kinuha ni Lale. Inangat ni Ate Ann. Nice attack. Naroon. 20-14 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service again by Ate Arnie. Kinuha ni Amber. Inover ni Sam. Kinuha ni Ate Fran. Sinabo ni Ate Sweet. Pumalong si Ate Ann. Kinuha ni Ate Glanza. Nakuha ni Amber sa likod. At inover ni Ate Ann. Kinuha ni Janela. Pabalik kay Ate Glanza. Nakuha ni Ray. Inangat. At nag-alangan kinuha ni Ate Arnie. Inover ni Sam. Drinat ni Ate Sweet. Knock over by Ate Ann. Relax lang daw ang sabi ni Ate Sweet. Official score 20-15 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Outside. 21-15 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Ate Glanza over service. Nakuha ni Ray. Inangat ni Ate Sweet. Pumalak si Ate Ada na isa takbay Ate Ada. Kinuha ni Ate Ann. Over ni Ate Ada. At crossing. ring. Choco. Service by Ate Franz, kinuha ni Amber. At nice attack by Lorraine. Shot ball. Tawag ni Bell. 22-16. Sinervice ang isa. Inangat niya ito shoot pa kabila naman natin lang sa ating over nila Lane. Kinuha ni Lane. Kinuha ni Ate Sweet. Nice attack by Arnie. Kinuha ni Janela. Easy lang daw. Nice attack by Cash. Kinuha ni Ate Sweet. Pumalo si Ate Ada. Kinuha ni Amber. Isa-isa lang daw ang sabi. Kinuha ni Ate Sweet. Pumalo si Ate Arnie. Nakuha ni Ate Glyza binalik. Nakuha ni Ate Arnie. Binalik na naman ni Ate Glyza kay Ate Franz. At nakuha naman ni Ate Sweet. Nice attack by Arnie. Kinuha na naman ni Ate Glyza. Nakuha ni Janela. Inangat ni Ray. Inangat ni Ate Sweet. Over. That was a good run. Warning 16. Warning 16. Service by Sam. Kinuha niya rin. Agang buhay agad. Hindi buwis buhay eh, agang buhay. Ate Ann, hindi buwis buhay yung agang buhay yung Official score, warning, 17. Service by Ate Sweet. Nice service, kinuha ni Sam. Inover ni Ate Ann, nakuha ni Ate Franz, nakuha ni Ate Sweet. At inover ni Janela, kinuha ni Lalaine. Inangat ni Ate Ann. Nice attack by Lalaine. Inover agad ni Janela, binalik kay Cash. Inangat ni Ate Ann. Nice drop by Lalaine, kinuha ni Ate Sweet. Inover ni Ate Ada kay Cash. Set down. Nice attack by Casarel. Last 17. Service by Ate Ann Miranda. Kinuha ni Ate Sweet, binalik agad. Kinuha ni Sam. Kinuha ni Lalaine. Pinalo ni Cash. Kinuha ni Ate Franz. Kinuha ni Ate Ada. At binalik naman ni Ray. Nice one hand. Touch ang tawag ni Delo. Service by Ate Ada. Nakuha ni Sam. Sinet ni Lalaine. Pumalo ka daw, Cash. Oh. Tama. Gid. 24-19 in favor of Yellow Bombers. Service by Ate Ada. Kinuha ni Ate Glyza. Inover ni Amber. Kinuha ni Ate Ada. Nice attack by Ray. Kinuha ni Ate Glyza. Isa pa daw, sabi ni Ray. Ang gandang habol nun, Ate Lalaine. Ang ganda ng habol nun. Ayoko, busy ako. Busy ako, busy. Service again by Ate Ada. Nice drop by Lalaine.